Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code in Monopoly Go. So let's get straight into it. To redeem a code in Monopoly Go, you'll actually need to use a website. So if you're in the game right now, go ahead and close it. Then open your preferred mobile browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type in Monopoly Go redeem code, like so. And once you search for that, tap on the top result, which will take you to the website where you can redeem your codes. So before entering your code, make sure you're logged into your account. So if you tap the menu in the top right corner, you should see that I'm logged into my account. So once you're logged in, scroll down to the reward code section here and then just enter your code in the box and tap the green go button to redeem it. And that's it. That's how to redeem a code in Monopoly Go. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.